Today we'll discuss the mechanism of HCl secretion or gastric acid secretion, how gastric acid is secreted. For that we should know this is the blood capillary, this is the parietal cell, and this is the gastric lumen, right? This is the blood capillaries of lamina propria, this is the parietal cells, and here are the chief cells, and this is the lumen of the stomach or lumen of the gastric pit. Now as you can see from the, and this is what is interstitial space, this is the interstitial space. Now what happens when this carbon dioxide CO2 from the interstitial fluid, CO2 comes in and reacts with the water. From the interstitial fluid, CO2 comes in the parietal cells, and there is a reaction with the water, and there is a formation of the H2CO3, that is the carbonic acid, with the help of the enzyme carbonic anhydrase. Now this carbonic anhydrase enzyme will split this carbonic acid into the bicarbonate and H plus ion, that is the proton. Will split this carbonic acid into the bicarbonate ion and H plus ion. Now what happens to this bicarbonate and what happens to this H plus or proton? If this is a H plus or proton, so with the help of this proton pump, one proton goes out and one potassium comes in, right? One proton goes out and one potassium comes in from the parietal cell. So this proton comes in the lumen of the gastric pit. Proton or H plus ion comes in the lumen of the gastric pit, and this process is the ATP, or this process requires ATP in the form of energy that requires ATP. Now this potassium ion also goes out through this potassium ion channel and comes in through this proton pump, right? It will maintain the H plus K plus, it will maintain the concentration of the hydrogen and potassium in the gastric lumen. So now we got the what we have got? We got the H plus ion in the gastric lumen. We need now chloride ion. Okay, here you can see we have bicarbonate ion in the parietal cell. This bicarbonate ion goes into the blood with the exchange with the chloride ion. This bicarbonate ion goes into the blood in exchange with the chloride ion through this bicarbonate ion antiporter, right? Bicarbonate ion antiporter, and this chloride Cl minus, it goes directly to the lumen of gastric pit or lumen of stomach with the help of chloride ion channel, and here you will get the chloride ion. and this H plus and chloride ion reacts and there is a formation of HCl, right? Means initially there is H plus or proton comes that reacts with the chloride and there is a formation of HCl or gastric acid. So this is the mechanism of gastric acid production or HCl production.